So long, guys. Welcome to Coding Beetle, and today I'm with another problem or another program from Coding Bat website. So the next program is or 35. Let's see what it says. Return true if the given non-negative number is a multiple of 3 or a multiple of 5. That is, a number that will be given should be a positive number, not a negative number, and it should be a multiple of 3 or a multiple of 5. Use the mod operator. So mod operator is basically helps to find out the remainder of two numbers. When you divide two numbers, you get a remainder. That is, even if it is 0, remainder is the number that is left. So here you can see in or 35 function, when 3 is given, 3 is divisible by 3 and the remainder is 0, so it is returning true. And 10 is divisible by 5, so it is returning true. But 8 is neither divisible by 3 nor divisible by 5, so it is returning false. So today's program will be very short and very easy. We will just return the numbers divisible by 3 should be 0, or the number divisible by 5 should be 0. Then we will get a true or false, as it is a Boolean function. So let's go for the to check our answer. Sorry, I'm speeding up and everything is getting troubled. So here you can see our program has successfully executed and we have successfully cleared all the tests given to our program. So that's it for today, guys, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.